And Blooming, tell us a little bit more about cryptocurrency.
Because I'm a long-term investor, I tend not to look at the 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 6 month, year-to-day one. I mean, we can look at it, but again, I tend not to focus on this because I'm more of a long-term investor. But even if we ignore that, we just had the Bitcoin halving. And what does this mean? It just means that the Bitcoin that is being minted every 4 years, the supply is going to be cut in half. We've seen that, number one, in Canada, interest rate has been going down. In the US, we've had one jumbo interest rate cut that a lot tailwind, meaning that catalysts that are going to propel the market in a good direction, meaning towards the upward rates. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to go to six figures next week, just saying that when we look at what the big money managers are doing, they are allocating a certain portion of their investment into crypto. For example, go on Coin Market Cap. This is just one of my go-to website when it comes to crypto. Bitcoin is still number one. The all-time high is still around 73,000 American dollars. I did mention in last week's commentary that a lot of people, when they come into crypto, they jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. It's not good. But for those that are looking to make outsized money in this crypto bull run, again, whatever I'm saying, it's not financial or investment advice. Lean more towards meme coins. Because why? If we look at the performance of Bitcoin year to date, 64%, Ethereum 10%. And this if you compare this to the S&P 500, which is just a benchmark of the largest US companies, right? Just 500 of them. I think year to date, I'm not sure what the performance of S&P 500 has
I
been.
think last time I checked, it was like maybe just
20,
24,
yeah, total,
20%.
yeah,
But because of
yes,
this drop, maybe it's just over 20%.
yeah. So over 20%. So Bitcoin has already outperformed that, but you can see Ethereum, it has already underperformed that. Solana, 63%. But again, this is not where the boatload of the money is going to be made. If you look at memes, again, I'm not endorsing any of this. If we look at the year to date for any of these
Very
memes,
volatile though.
it's volatile. 79%, 69, 590%, 1390. This one is almost 20,000 in a single year. I'm not endorsing any of this because your money can go to the moon and it can also go to the toilet. It can go to zero. So
Yes.
please don't say Blooming said I should buy meme coins. No, I'm not saying that. But find some time to learn about crypto and just allocate a certain portion that you're comfortable investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market today is even down, but I think just a few days ago in Canadian dollars, Bitcoin went over $100,000. So I think if I just change my currency here and I just change this to Canadian, so all-time high here, you can see it went all the way to $102,000 just this week. All I'm just saying is that it's important to allocate a certain portion of your investment into crypto, even if you don't want to do the individual crypto ETFs, right? We have the Bitcoin ETF, we have the Ethereum ETF, and these are just places that you can consider putting your money, or you can look at some stocks that have some allocation of Bitcoin into their portfolio. There's Coinbase, there's MicroStrategy. Again, these are just simple ways that we can still get some exposure into the crypto market without necessarily buying Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the meme coins. So that's just my take
Uh,
on the crypto market for this week. But it's just an
yeah.
exciting time to be in the market, whether in the equities market or in the crypto market. Is
Yeah.
always an opportunity just to see our money work for us.